Hi you all and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Disha. So as you can tell by the title, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all a few pieces that I think are essentials for your winter wardrobe. Okay, so I know winters in Mumbai are pretty much non-existing, but it does tend to get cold for a couple of days and also during the evenings. So I have kept that in mind. And if you are from slightly more colder regions, then don't worry, I have something for you as well. So stay tuned and let's get started. So the first essential is a no-brainer, it's a thermal. So this is the one that I have, and something like this will help you stay warm on days when it's not very cold but it is still a little chilly. And if you are from colder areas, then it's always good to add more layers. So I definitely recommend having a good quality thermal. The next essential is a pair of stockings or leggings. तो अगर आपको कोई ड्रेस या कोई स्कर्ट पहननी है तो आप उसको stockings और boots के साथ पहन सकते हो. But if you're not comfortable with wearing stockings or if you don't have them, you can replace it with a pair of leggings. So these are the ones that I have and they are from H&M. Moving on to the third essential, which is turtlenecks. So of course, firstly because they are so easy to layer and they are extremely versatile. So I would suggest that you get them in neutral colors, that is black, white or beige, because you can restyle them in so many different ways. You can wear it with a jeans and throw on a jacket, or you can also wear it underneath your dresses or even jumpsuits. So like I said, they're extremely versatile, and if you want to experiment a little, you can always of course add a pop of color. Moving on to the fourth essential, which is shawls, scarves or mufflers. Firstly, all of these are extremely handy, and if you have a nice shawl, तो आप उसको अलग अलग तरीके से drape कर सकते हो and you will get a new look each time. And this is one way how I like to wear it. So the next essential is jackets. So you can wear shrugs like these during the day, and if you're heading out somewhere in the evening when it's slightly more cold, you can switch to a leather jacket. And I love this long black shrug because it's so versatile. You can wear it to your workplace and also for a casual outing. The next jacket essential is a denim jacket. Now I'm sure most of you all might already have this in your wardrobe, and it's very easy to style and it's also very handy and it will keep you warm. So the next essential is basic t-shirts. So plain t-shirts and graphic t-shirts like these are very easy to layer. So you can simply wear it under your dresses or even with your jeans and throw on a jacket. So I definitely recommend having basic t-shirts like these, not just for winters but throughout the year. Now the seventh essential is a pair of boots. Of course, winters are incomplete without boots. So if you are from slightly more colder areas, you can of course go for knee-high boots. But if you are from less colder areas, then ankle-length boots will do just fine. And these are the ones that I have, and they are from Myntra, and I got them very recently. So if you are planning to buy boots online but you are unsure of what size to get, then I would like to mention that Myntra has a try and buy option, which means that when I placed an order for these boots, they had a try and buy option. So when I got the boots at home, I was able to try them on the spot and decide if I wanted to keep it or return it. I will leave a link to these boots in the description box below because I'm not sure if they have it on all the products, but in case you're interested, you can check it out. Now moving on to the second last essential, which is a pair of slim fit denim jeans. So the reason why I say slim fit is because if you are going to be wearing boots, you don't want your jeans to get all crumpled up, right? Also, you are anyway going to be layering a lot of stuff on the top, so it will help you balance the silhouette out. And the last essential, of course, goes without saying, is sweaters, hoodies, sweatshirts and all the cozy stuff. So those were all my winter wardrobe essentials, and I really hope you guys found this video helpful. So if you have any suggestions or feedback for me, then please leave them in the comment section down below. I would love to know your thoughts. And I have a winter haul coming up next week, so stay tuned for that. And if you want to see more of me, then please subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. And I'm going to see you next week. Bye.